In this video, we're going to talk about how we can use price action rules to help us navigate the market and identify high probability setups. So the structure of the market right now is telling me that we are in a consolidation. How do I know this? Well, because there is no big trending market in either direction. Okay, there is just flat supportive indicated 1-bar EMA, consistent pricings up and down. So I am trading some form of a consolidation, which means I'm going to mainly follow the short-term trend line rule. That's my best bet how to stay on the right side of the market. Uptrend, break, new extreme, uptrend played out. So right now, I'm going to pause looking to go long. The market is about to open around 8:30 Central Standard Time, and let's see what's going to happen. We are going sideways. We have some congestion here, so I'm pretty much avoiding trading this area. This is no trade zone. One leg break, second leg down. I can draw the trend line also a little bit wider. Like this. One leg break, second leg down. New extreme. And market right now is correcting. I'm not going to draw a wider channel like this simply because we are in the middle of the trend range in a no man's land. It's too early. It's too sideways. I'm going to follow short-term trends because when I'm not sure exactly what is the bias, short-term trends are the best bet. Market is slowly but surely trending higher. Still nothing much happening. You can tell how flat the EMA is exactly in the middle of these bars. We're just going sideways. So when I'm watching structure like this, I'm basically sitting on my hands, super patient. I need more candles. I need some established structure so I understand what exactly is happening. And I'm getting a little bit more information because as you can see, market keeps creating higher lows and higher highs. So now I can use the market geometry and I have to identify some channel because there's always a channel present for every single price movement on the chart. So now I have actually decent structure working higher. So now I finally am paying more attention and I'm thinking about long opportunities. Okay, I have this uptrend working higher, so this is getting my attention, and I want to see right now some high probability setups. But market is strongly breaking lower, making you doubt this channel, but quickly reverse all the way back up. I don't think we can take high low here, or you can basically view it as a second entry long from this top, new high, first entry long, pullback, second entry long. Problem is this spike down was so sharp and so long. You need felt second entry short. What if there's going to be test of the new extreme? So at this point, I need something stronger than just high low. Had this correction been twice as small, you may consider high low, but this was really a long pullback. I need some more confirmation. Market is correcting. New high first entry long, second entry long, but I have to redraw the downtrend and I cannot go long above bearish bar. Downtrend is in play, close outside, new extreme, downtrend played out. And now I have double trap. Okay, I have double trap. Double trap will form when something is wrong with a second entry. For example, it's inside of the channel, or it's congested, or the signal bar is bad, or it's far from the EMA. There are many reasons. You can tell it visually looks like two legs down, one leg down, break, second leg down. Once double trap looks like a visual second entry long, and a second entry. It gives you confidence that this setup is going to work, it's going to be a good trade. I took this setup. It's a great high probability setup, but I ended up scratching the trade break even +1 because it stalled for quite a while. And also when you're watching this, you have potential resistance a little bit lower. So this is what I was afraid of, going along directly into these highs. Now I still entered the position. Why did I enter the position? Well, because this uptrend needs new high and also this one. So I have two uptrends that need new high. Downtrend played out, two legs down. It's a bullish bar, double trap above EMA. So odds are higher that we're going to test the new high. But I ended up taking break-even +1 just to cover the commissions because it took a long time. It was too slow. I should have held because market created significant push up. So this was a good high probability setup. You just need to hold this for quite a while because it really took a long time to play out. So now everything played out. I don't think you can take this mini second entry long for second entry short because at this point, it's really sideways. It's really stacked. You have to enter double trap and hold. This entire area is really getting stacked. So everything to the upside played out. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, market is trending lower. Okay, nothing much happening here. Okay, and I can see consistent series of lower highs and low lows. The downtrend is getting structured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a channel a little bit wider, something like this. Okay, if I'm going to zoom out once again, you can tell we are in some form of a consolidation. It looks like we moved a little bit higher. We have some brand new trend range established at the top, two-tier trend range. But I'm going to follow this downtrend. It looks pretty structured. There are no good trades, only first entries. Okay, it's not acting as overshoot, so I can widen the channel. I have to redraw the correction, even when the main channel right now is bearish. New low here, come reset. First entry short, pull back. I'm thinking about second entry short at the EMA to test the new low. I have a second entry short here, but I cannot go short here. It's too far down, not full at the EMA here, and also it never triggered. So there is no good second entry short. I was viewing this as 2 legs up, breaking new high. So I was thinking about lower high below EMA, but notice what happened. The market retraced and we continued to go higher. Okay, so I'm not going to argue with the market. The retracement is simply too deep. You can tell how far we retraced. So I'm forgetting about new low for this downtrend. There's a break, attempt to test the new low. Looks like market considered this attempt enough. This can happen when the structure is choppy and range like this. There's simply not enough momentum. So right now I have to adapt to new bullish structure working higher. And this is once again the transitioning period, area of development, because everything played out. All these short-term channels played out. No big pattern established. I'm not really thinking about selling because we are slowly but surely working higher. Okay. Looking back, this is tempting short setup of the resistance. You have some key level here, sort of like a one top, double top, triple top. You can consider more advanced trader can sell this juicy bearish bar. It's also quite far from the EMA, so it's most likely going to pull back. This is what scalping is about, so you can consider selling here, the resistance bounce, but you can see you are creating higher lows, so there's most likely going to be some bullish pattern. It worked for a scalp, and prices keep working higher, so now I'm going to redraw spike and a channel pattern like this, and I want to see second entry long at the EMA. We're not full at the EMA, market is working higher. We have overshoot, but this doesn't really look like overshoot because I can also draw a little bit wider channel like this. It still gets confirmations. It also fits on a higher time frame. This represents structure well as well, so this is decent steeper channel. Okay, market is correcting, and now I have full breakout. You have micro double top count reset, so you have to reset the count. It's a visual second entry long, technically only first entry long, but you're going sideways, most breakouts will fail. Even out of this trend range, small congestion, and you're fading with the direction of the main trend. So you are fading with the direction of the bullish trend. Great bullish bar of 2 key entry points, failed breakout of 2 key entry points. This is great. High probability setup, failed breakout, great bullish bar. You have 2 key entry points. So this is great high probability setup. Break, push to a new extreme, uptrend played out. Okay, market is reversing to the downside. You have a new high first entry long, second entry long, failure, reverse a pattern. But you'd have to sell below bull bar, which can sometimes happen during failures, but it's not full at the EMA. It just didn't form that great. But I'm going to redraw a channel. Once again, you have to develop a habit of always having channel present on the chart. Even if you don't see the channel straight away, there is always a channel, so you will wait for a little bit more confirmation. It's not really acting as overshoot, so I'm going to widen the channel a little bit, and I'm going to redraw the correction once again. This is the bigger downtrend. Uptrend played out, so I am expecting new low first entry short. I was looking for second entry short below EMA to test the new extreme, but that's not happening. Market corrected. We're back below EMA finally, so this is nice decisive push that the sellers want to see new low. You have a lower high, but you have to use double bar entry, and the low of the bearish bar is too far down from the low of the previous bar. You prefer double bar entries to be close to each other, so you can view it as a one bar, because the bigger this bar is, the further down it closes, the bigger the risk and higher the chance that this scalp has already been made. So I really think we need some second entry short. It's too late anyway, and market is about to close. So this is the overall structure for today. Yesterday we had a very nice price action, strong uptrend. Today we had very slow and choppy consolidation. I only took one setup, this double trap right here, ended up scratching break even +1, and I didn't get filled on this fell breakout because it went too quickly and I was a little slow to react. So normally I record session on Friday, but today nothing much was happening. I wasn't really talking, so I went back and did the review. If you didn't take any trade today, you're not alone. I also didn't find that many great trades. Looking back, you can also consider shorting this key level right here, because when you're watching this live, you don't have the white channel established just yet. So shorting here and here definitely makes sense. A little bit more aggressive, but it's okay setup to consider because you're selling at the resistance. and at this point you are trading some form of a trend range, make sure to follow short-term channels for the most part. Only if the trend gets structured and longer, you can widen the channel, break a new high, downtrend working lower. It's a shame there was no good setup to finish the day with here. This is actually quite common. Yesterday we had very strong and good rally. So once you have a good strong trend day, it's actually very common the second day, the next day to be quite slow and choppy. So nothing unusual, just part of market cycle. I hope you had a good trading day. I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to talk to you next time. Good luck your trading.